You're a choo-choo train. Oh, he's pulling me. Let's try to see some more squirrels. Yep, he's going down there. Let's go down there, Lucy. Go. They're in the back, Sparkly. They're not up here. They don't come up here until we start feeding the birds in the wintertime. Oh, Lucy, Barkley's pulling me. Only got one hand here. Make a mistake, Barkley. There's no squirrels here. They're way in the back. Oh, there's a butterfly. Leave that butterfly alone. Where'd that butterfly go? Oh, there he is over there by the porch. Yeah. Barkley, come on. Come on, Barkley. There's nothing there. Trying to pick up some tracks, a scent. Good boy, Barkley. Pee on my flowers. Y'all, I gotta know about you. Need to buy you some fire hydrants. Get you a little toy fire hydrant for you. That grass almost as tall as you are, dog. Good girl, Lucy, good girl. Yeah, that's poo-poo. We don't bother that stuff. Good girl, Lucy, good girl. Let's go in the house. Here, locust. Here's a locust.